When they say it can't be done, we say, just watch us. When they say it's too hard, we show them what hard work looks like. When they say, that's not how things work in the real world, we say, not yet. The clock is ticking, and our planet doesn't need excuses. It needs all of us. It needs you. I'm Jane Fonda, actress, writer, producer, activist, and Greenpeace supporter. The world needs you, right now, more than ever. Your time, your talents, your gifts of support, your belief in a greener, more peaceful future. Join me in supporting Greenpeace and become part of our fight to change the world.